liaisons officer between the sheriff's office and the gun safety team. Corporal Keller is going to demonstrate how to use the gun locks that are given away by the gun safety team properly.
Okay, today whenever you buy a new firearm, all manufacturers supply a gun lock similar to this one right here. This is very similar to the ones that we give out to people who own guns who don't own a gun lock. One of the most commonly guns that we see today, and they've been around for hundreds of years, is a revolver. Always make sure that the gun is empty. What you do is you thread the cable through the chamber and you lock it, and you just push the lock to, and then of course you remove the key. What this does is prevent the cylinder from, even if it had ammo in it, it prevents the cylinder from being closed, which would allow the gun to fire. That is a revolver. It'll work on any revolver the same way. This is actually my service pistol. It's an automatic. Again, you make sure it's unloaded, the magazine out, nothing in the chamber. You thread the cable up through the action. And here again, we just lock it. And what it does, it prevents the action from closing. The gun will not fire. Even if a child finds it, he can't do anything with it. Third pump gun works like this is a Benelli, but they all work the same. Here we go. Thread it through the action, and again, it locks, which prevents the action from closing. Even if they did have ammo, they could not do it. When you're dealing with kids, it's best if you do not have a gun safe, which is the proper way for a responsible gun owner to have it. You just leave you store your ammo in a different spot than you would your firearm. That is a responsible way to go. Not only does it keep it away from your children, but it also, in the course that your home gets broken into, you're not looking at the barrel of one of these guns from a thief who has stolen your weapon. That is the most responsible way. But if you do not own a gun safe, this is the second alternative. Okay.